good morning again. So today I'm so happy, yeah, that I have chance to say goodbye with our topic, the friendship. Yeah. So the art is friendship. Yes. So if we don't have friendship, you cannot see this instrument. Yes. Yes. Do you know this instrument we call chaplay, also known as the two-string long neck guitar. So I'm going to sing it. I hope you enjoy it. So this instrument we always sing in Khmer language, but today I want to sing in English. Wow. So I hope you understand it. Yes. Yeah. Instructor and all things seven country. You are sitting looking at me today, happy to see Japan. Lieutenant Kung from Cambodia. I want to share Khmer music. I hope you understand all my lyrics. It's fantastic. Enjoy this time. I am happy. Come to study in India. I see you all Khmer groupគ្នានិយាយឲ្យមិនវេទមិនភាសាខ្មែរ with everyone. Finally, I wish you succeed in your study. Meet your family and happiness. After you leave Madhya Pradesh, and also set for traveling. I will miss you everyone the number one my memory that I have chance as an army come to study from 7 countries. Now I would like to say goodbye. ខ្ញុំឃ្លាតមិនឆ្ងាយ not far away I love you all from Kunye Nothing to say stop singing